What is RAG in AI and how prompt engineering shapes AI's future? Explore RAG in prompt engineering, demonstrating how these elements are pushing AI forward. Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 9. We've spent the last week learning what AI is, how it creates, and how it takes actions. But now we've come to a critical question. How do we make AI reliable, accurate, and useful for specific tasks? Today, we dive into two major breakthroughs that bridge the gap between a generalized AI chatbot and a trustworthy professional assistant. RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, and the human skill of prompt engineering. These two elements are defining the future of AI interaction. So let's dive in. The core problem: AI's knowledge gap. To understand RAG, we need to understand the main limitations of standard large language models, like the one powering a basic chatbot. Number one is outdated knowledge. LLMs are trained on massive data sets, but that data has a cut-off date. Ask a standard LLM about an event that happened yesterday, and it won't know the answer. Number two is hallucination. When an LLM doesn't know the answer, it tends to confidently make up plausible sounding information. This is the biggest hurdle to using AI in professional setting. So what's the solution? We need a way to give the AI the access to current, authoritative, and specific information right before it answers, and that's where RAG comes in. What is RAG? Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG is a technique that connects an LLM to external, up-to-date, and proprietary knowledge sources. Think of the AI as a student taking an exam. Standard LLM. The student relies only on what they memorized or their training data. And if you ask a question about a new company policy, they will likely guess or say the wrong thing. But in LLM with RAG, the student gets to do an open book research before they answer. The RAG system finds the relevant paragraphs from official policy manual, the external data, and puts those facts directly in front of the student. The AI then answers based only on those facts. The RAG process in 3 steps. Retrieval. When you ask a question, the system first scans a secure external database like your company documents, the live internet, or a private knowledge base to find the most relevant pieces of information. Augmentation. It then augments or adds that retrieved information to your original prompt, turning it into a super prompt. Generation. The LLM receives the super prompt and generates a final, accurate response, often with a citation back to the source document. The result is an AI that is grounded in facts. RAG is the key technology enabling AI systems to answer questions about your company's internal data, summarize meeting notes from your private network, and significantly reduce hallucination. Prompt engineering, the human superpower. RAG solves the problem of what the AI knows. Now we look at prompt engineering, which solves the problem of how the AI thinks in response. The style and structure. So prompt engineering is the human art and science of designing inputs or prompts that reliably generate high-quality, relevant outputs from an AI model. The basic principle is garbage in, garbage out. A vague prompt gives a vague answer. A precise, structured prompt gives a precise, structured answer. And a good prompt engineer understands the AI's mind and uses 3 simple techniques to guide it. Give the AI a role. Don't just say, write about inflation. Say, act as a chief financial officer presenting a 5-year budget forecast to the board of directors. Use a formal, confident language. The result, the AI changes its persona, tone, and knowledge focus. Then set clear constraints. Don't ask a question. Tell the AI that respond in exactly 5 bullet points, or limit the response to 150 words, or ensure the tone is motivating and actionable. The AI delivers the content in exact format you need for immediate use. Number 3 is provide examples, few short prompting. If you need the AI to format a certain kind of report, show it 1 or 2 examples of what the successful report looks like. The AI learns your specific and preferred style and it applies it to the new task. Prompt engineering is not about being polite, it's about guiding the AI's reasoning path. The skill is not going away, it's the human interface that ensures we harness the immense power of these models efficiently. We started this series with the core capabilities of AI. On day 9, we see the future. RAG gives AI external factual grounding, solving the hallucination problem. Prompt engineering gives us the skill to guide the AI's behavior, making it output tailored and reliable. Together, these are the tools that transform general purpose LLMs into powerful specialized assistants capable of operating reliably inside complex AI systems like agentic AI. You've mastered some of the most advanced concepts in AI today. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Join me tomorrow for day 10, our final day, where we wrap up everything that we've learned and look ahead at what's next for you. So see you tomorrow. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content like this.